Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can create driver partition on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. In order to create driver partition or disk partition, simply click on the search option and search for computer management. Here we have computer management. Simply open this. It will open computer management window. Here simply click on disk management. If you don't get this disk management option, simply extend this storage option. Here you will find disk management, and here you will find all the disks which are available on your Windows 11 computer. Simply select the volume you want to create a partition for, then right click on it, then click on shrink volume, and here assign your volume space. Say for example I want to assign 100 MB, then click on shrink and it will create a partition. Now we have to allocate this partition. To allocate this partition, simply select that space, then right click on it, then click on new simple volume. Here click on next, and here we have our volume size which is 100 MB, then click on next, and from the drop down menu select your desired driver letter, then click on next. Here we have our partition format. Here we have volume level option. If you want to change the volume name, you can simply rename this new volume to anything else. Say for example movie, then click on next, and here we have our partition settings, then click on finish. Here you can see we have successfully created partition on Windows 11. Now to check the partition, you can simply open File Explorer. Here you will find two drivers. One is our local disk and another one is our movie driver. So this way you can create driver partition on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.